Have I seriously shopped this much in 1 month? No, can't be. This much?
Each time I make a memory, then I'll try to make it with you. I take a picture and close one eye, and then it's
Well, hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Looking Good Feeling Fab with me, Abhilasha. And this video is going to be all about online shopping, and I'm going to be sharing my shopping haul, collective haul over. And it's only during the process of putting this video together that I realized that I have shopped so much, way too much. Okay, and I'm feeling a little guilty. And have I said this before that I don't really shop this much? No, I need to make that clear, okay? So I don't shop this much all the time, and I really don't shop this much all the time. No, I don't. Seriously. No, really, I don't shop this much all the time. So this month has been an exception, and I'm going to share all my exciting purchases with you. So let's start with a website that I have come to love, and that website is shop19.com. I bought two things from shop19.com over the last 40 odd days, and I love both of them. So starting with this dress. It's a cotton pencil dress. I love the colors. It's pink and orange. It fits beautifully, and you would have seen pictures of this on the blog, and I love it. It was for 999 and I love it. The other thing I purchased from shop19.com is this maxi skirt. And this comes with this crop top, which has this very pretty zip detail at the back, and I really like this entire combination. It looks really lovely. So this was for, I think, 1200 or 1300 or something. So these two were from shop19.com. Their delivery is really speedy, the quickest I have seen. Within a couple of days you already have your purchases, and they're priced very reasonably. I love them. Okay, so then I bought a few things. For the first time I tried lovelyShoes.net, because a lot of my fellow bloggers had purchased from them and their purchases looked pretty good, and the products were very cheap, so I decided to give it a try. I bought this maxi skirt. It is very different from the shop19 skirt. This is really fitted. It really flatters and hugs all your curves, and it has a slit which runs a little too high for my comfort, but I know, I can play around with positioning the slit so that it doesn't show too much skin, but it fits really beautifully. The quality is pretty good, and I think it was a lovely purchase for its price. So this was one skirt I bought. Then I got this skirt from lovelyShoes.net. On trying this, actually this looks very pretty as well. It has this lace detail which is see-through, and it's very pretty. I really like it. And from lovelyShoes.net I bought this pair of heels, and these are very comfortable. They have this vintagey kind of look and feel about them. They have this detail at the back at the ankle, and the same detail on the front, and they have a block heel, which is why they're super comfortable. lovelyShoes.net was fairly quick in their delivery. It took about 10 to 12 days for me to get my products in my hands. The quality is pretty good. I have no complaints with the quality. For the price I'm paying, they're very good. Unfortunately, what happened was that when the products entered our country, India, I was charged customs on these products, and the custom amount ended up being almost 40% of what I paid for the product itself, which is why when you add it all up together, these products don't end up being as cheap as they look on the website. So factor that in if you are placing an order with such websites which deliver internationally, please. Then I got this vintage print jacket from Done by None, and I haven't worn it yet, but I really love jackets. You'll see it soon on the blog. I don't. And this was for $15.99, donebynone.com. Okay, so then fashionandyou.com, and these are my favorite. These are gorgeous. Okay, so I got this dress. It's a fitted pencil dress. I'm sorry you can't see the whole thing here, but it's midi length, and I have a weakness, and whenever I see this length of a dress, I kind of instantly buy it, because I'm not into wearing really tiny little dresses. And plus this dress has sleeves, which makes it very wearable. I bought this dress from fashionandyou.com, and I ended up buying the same dress also from lovelyshoes.net. Don't ask me how that happened. And so now I have one of these, and my sister has one of these, and we happened to wear it together, and this is what happened. And my daughter felt she wanted to join the fun, and she wanted another dress of the same kind, and maybe I should have ordered 3 instead of 2. So and another dress I got from Fashion and You is this one. It fits really well. I love the colors, and it's really fun. Again, this is a midi length dress. This was, I think, around 1,000 rupees. Then let's come to this one. This was this gorgeous dress, lace, and it's so soft and so beautiful. This was also from fashionandyou.com. It is a midi length dress. This is the front of the dress, and it has these see-through sleeves, which are full sleeves, and it has a slit on the front. It has a slit on the front, which has a very nice shape, but I think it's a little too high for my comfort. So again, maybe I'll stitch up the slit just a little bit to make it wearable and comfortable for me. But what's most fun is the back. This is the back of the dress. So it looks really sexy. It's almost like a backless dress, and it's beautiful, and it fits really well, and I'm surprised that I found something like this on fashionandyou.com. Okay, and this was a little more expensive, and this was maybe around 1,500, but totally worth the price, and it looks so beautiful. It's like a red carpet dress, at least in my world. So yay! So excited about this one. So this was what I got from Fashion and You. We're not done yet. But this casual Ritu Kumar shirt, and it has this fun back, which it has that high-low hemline, so it's short on the front and longer on the back. It's a fun print and it's a fun color. So this was 550 rupees. I generally don't shop this much, okay, so guilty, but yes, I don't shop this much, way too much, but I got really cute stuff and I couldn't resist it. I mean, but I'm very excited about the sale season starting, and I can't wait. So if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me on Instagram, because that's where I will be posting all my finds and purchases during the sale season real time. Okay, so you can see what's available in Zara and what's available on Westside and what's available where, and you can plan your sale shopping accordingly. So if you're not following me, follow me on Instagram. The link will be down below, and I will see you very soon with another shopping haul video. So take care and bye.